How can student-athletes understand complex NIL contracts? Imagine signing a deal that could shape your future, but feeling unsure about what all the words really mean. That's common with name, image, and likeness contracts. These agreements give companies the right to use your name or image for marketing. They can be simple or very detailed, so understanding them is key. First, know that NIL contracts are legal agreements that spell out what you're agreeing to do and what you'll get in return. They might say you'll be paid a certain amount of money, or they might include bonuses based on how well you perform. Some contracts give the company the right to use your image in ads, social media, or merchandise. One important part is the right to publicity. This means you might be giving away control of how your image or name is used. If you're not careful, you could lose the ability to decide how your likeness is used in the future. Always check if the contract says you can approve or reject certain uses. Pay attention to pay-for-play rules. The NCAA, which oversees college sports, bans contracts that pay athletes based on their athletic performance or playing time. If a deal offers extra money for scoring goals or making plays, it could risk your eligibility. Look for clear payment terms that are not linked to your sport's performance. Understand how long the contract lasts and if you can work with other sponsors. Some agreements might restrict you from signing with other companies or requiring you to report any competing offers. Knowing the duration and restrictions helps you manage your opportunities. Make sure the contract aligns with NCAA and school rules. Many schools requiring you to report NIL deals through official channels. Failing to do so might lead to penalties or even losing your eligibility to compete. Always check your school's policies before signing anything. Review the financial details carefully. Know exactly when and how you will get paid. Will it be a lump sum upfront, or will you receive royalties over time? Be aware of taxes, as you might owe a portion of your earnings to the government. Also, see if there are any clauses about refunds if the deal gets canceled. Because NIL contracts can be tricky, talking to experts is a smart move. Sports agents, lawyers, or compliance officers understand the legal language and rules. They can help you spot unfair terms or confusing language. It's better to ask questions before signing than to face surprises later. Reporting your deals is often required by your school. Some institutions ask you to submit details about your NIL agreements, including the amount paid and the sponsor's name. Keeping track of these reports and deadlines helps you stay compliant and avoid issues. Balancing sports, academics, and NIL work can be tough. Think about how much time the contract activities will take. If a deal involves a lot of travel or promotional events, it might interfere with your classes or training. Choose deals that fit your schedule and support your goals. In the end, understanding complex NIL contracts means learning what rights you're giving up, how you'll be paid, and what rules you must follow. Always review the terms carefully, seek advice from trusted professionals, and keep your priorities clear. This way, you can make smart decisions that protect your future both on and off the field.